If you're looking to set up a countdown timer in ShopWired, you're in the right place. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it and why you might want to consider alternatives if you're looking to get the most out of your online store. Stick around to the end, as I'll reveal an exclusive offer that could change the way you manage your store and provide some powerful alternatives. First things first, to set up a countdown timer in ShopWired, you'll need to access your admin dashboard. From there, go to your Marketing section. Click on Discounts and Promotions, and here you'll find a couple of options for creating time-limited offers. But here's the catch, the native countdown timer feature is pretty basic and could limit your potential for creating urgency with your customers. Next thing you'll want to do is select Create a New Promotion. You'll see the option to apply a discount, and under the Details section, you can specify a start and end time for the promotion. This is where you can add the countdown timer functionality, but it's really just a visual cue rather than an actual timer on the page, so it's a bit underwhelming for those looking to really amp up urgency. The third thing you'll need to do is go into the Store Design area, where you can adjust how the countdown is displayed across your site. You can choose to feature it on your homepage, product pages, or checkout, but again, ShopWired's customization here is limited. The default options work for basic setups, but you might find yourself wanting more control, especially when trying to really grab your customers' attention. Now, let's talk about the limitations of the setup. While ShopWire does provide the ability to display a countdown timer, its integration with other features, like pop-ups or automated emails, isn't as seamless as it could be. This could be a deal breaker if you're looking to create a more sophisticated sales funnel. The fourth thing to note is that while ShopWire does offer countdown timers, it's more of a plug-and-play approach rather than a full-fledged feature that truly integrates with your store. If you're serious about boosting conversions with countdowns, you may find that ShopWired's features feel a little too basic for the level of customization you're aiming for. But don't worry, I've got you covered. As you're watching, I'll tell you about a much better solution for countdown timers that goes far beyond what ShopWired can offer. A tool that gives you full control over how your timers look, where they show up, and even integrates smoothly with other marketing tools. This solution will allow you to automate and customize like a pro without having to worry about limits. I'm talking about a competitor with a much more robust countdown timer system that can integrate directly with your email campaigns, create urgency with ease, and give you much more flexibility. Plus, it comes with a free trial, so you can test it out yourself before committing. So here's the deal. If you want a countdown timer system that works like a charm, but with far more customization, check out the link in the description. Not only will you get an exclusive extended free trial, but you'll also have access to some amazing features that ShopWired just can't compete with. It's the perfect solution for store owners looking to maximize urgency and conversions. Don't wait. This exclusive offer is only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.